Kamusta naman po yung mga kasamahan natin sa PCG? Do we have enough personnel para po bantayan ang West Philippine Sea?
Well, in terms of the number of personnel, no, to be fair with the previous administration and the current administration right now, ang paglaki ang bilang ng Philippine Coast Guard started way back in 2016. No? We were only 8,930 then. And right now, dahil sa annually pag-recruit natin, we are now 36,000 strong.
Wow.
So you can imagine, to almost 28,000 ang itinaas na bilang ng mga Coast Guard personnel natin. This is in preparation for the assets that we are procuring annually and the vessels that are being delivered from Japan, France. So ito yung mga paghahanda natin para siguraduhin na we can be able to man our additional Coast Guard vessels the moment na ma-deliver ito as part of our Coast Guard fleet.
Oo. Ang sagot din po ng China dito sa nangyari no last weekend, ang sinasabi nila necessary control measures lamang daw po yung kanilang ginawa. As usual, 'di ba, wala namang accountability sa part nila every time nagkakaroon ng ganitong insidente. Pero moving forward, ano pong plano natin dito aside of course sa pagbibigay ng detalye sa ating mga kababayan dun sa nangyari talaga? Meron po ba tayong liham na ipapadala sa kanila or even sa UNCLOS? Paano po?
Well, first of all, no, bago ako mag-respond sa tanong mo, Ms. Marcel, no, I would like to highlight na yung statement ng China na they confirm na gumamit sila ng necessary control measures last Saturday.
Mhm.
It's just an admission, no, na hinaras nila ang ating mga kababayang Pilipino. These are ordinary Filipino fishermen. These are purely civilian, and they were harassed by a state-owned Coast Guard vessel ng People's Republic of China. It basically violated the human rights ng ating mga mahinsang Pilipino. As
Oo.
to what's going to happen next, on the part of the Coast Guard, we have already forwarded this incident to the National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea.
Mhm.
And then from there, of course, it is composed of different government agencies. We have the Department of Justice, the Department of Foreign Affairs, and I trust that all these government agencies can come up with the best policy recommendations for the president to come up with. So on our part, we just responded to it and documented it. It's for the other government agencies to take necessary action, whether in diplomacy, in diplomatic action, or in legal means.
Oo. Siyempre, doon pa rin natin gustong gawin, ano, Commodore? Diplomatic way pa rin naman talaga.